What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Ken with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA splitter on this Lexus LC. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the NIA splitter. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F-Gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. Four, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. Five, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, make them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car and make sure you get rid of any road debris stuck underneath. When doing the installation, always take safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. So the cool feature about the NIA splitter is that it actually uses your factory bolts to mount onto the car. So this is when you're going to get the 10mm socket and you're going to remove the factory bolts. All right, now that the factory bolts are removed, this is when you get a friend or family member to help you align the kit. The kit. Where's the kit? Wait, where's Chris? Oh, not again. Chris! Chris, what are you doing?
Oh shit, what am I doing?
So when you finally find somebody to help you, Chris, use your factory bolts. This time you're gonna use them to hold up the splitter. All right, now that all the factory bolts are on, make sure it's still kind of loose. And this is when you're gonna get all the support screws that we provided to you and just drill it into the bumper through the pre-drilled holes. When installing the support screws, if you're gonna use a drill, make sure to only drill it halfway. That way you don't over tighten it and strip the plastic bumper. Now that all the support screws are in halfway, this is when you get 10mm and you're going to tighten up all the factory bolts. Now that all the factory bolts are nice and tight, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver and you're going to hand tighten all the support screws. By hand tightening, you're going to prevent from over tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Once all the screws are tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus LC. And if you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thanks again.